Hello, my name is Kanji Coder. My name's Kanji Coder, and you are on the Fast Code Review, so God help you. Let's fucking go. Okay, source code is here. Let's get fucking going. Okay, in the bomb area function section within unit test main, emit from center Jack's blast explosion using this blast input helper right here. We've finished this code, so let's scroll down here. Okay, Jack's bomb center point, mini simulation, X and Y. So this is the center of our explosion, the center of the Jack's bomb we're detonating. Okay, so we have 4 loops here, offset to the right until we can't go right no more, okay? So here's the center point of our explosion, and then we're gonna take that center point and offset by the right magnitude to put an explosion tile into our mini tile map using this unit test main mini putter, okay? Same thing for all the other arms, right? So we're going to offset downward for the downward branch, and this is the center point of our explosion. We're going to take that center point and offset by the magnitude of the downward branch, and we're going to put a flame tile into our mini tile map. Offset to the left, okay? So we're going to go left till we can't go left no more. We're going to get the center point of the Jack's bomb, and then we are going to add the left magnitude, so this will be a negative number. We're going to add that left amount to the center point of the blast and set that into the tile map using our mini tile putter. Okay, last thing, offset topwards. We're going to go negative because going upwards is going negative because inverted y-axis, top left graphical origin here, people. If somebody uses a bottom left graphical origin, then they probably sell meth and you need to fucking stay away from them, okay? So get the center point of the blast, and then we're going to offset by a negative value to go upwards from the center and set the flame tile in our mini simulation tile map, okay? So we're gonna go up here. You've been on the short tech demo. Not tech demo, sorry. You've been on the short code review. If you want a faster code... God damn it, I'm fucking screwing up. Short code review, long code review, tech demos, source code, my Twitch channel. I'm making a goddamn game engine. You need to like and subscribe, especially if you like Bomberman, you're gonna fucking love this. I am making a Metroidvania MMO Bomberman game. I am fucking serious. I am not fucking joking right now. My name is Kanji Coder, and I'm making a goddamn game engine, and I'm making an MMO, and that sounds fucking crazy, and maybe I was fired from ArenaNet for being too much of a mad scientist and not enough scientist. I don't know, but like and subscribe.